Dear students, welcome back. In the previous class, third bit completed from exercise 6.4. In this class, let's continue the second bit. Write three terms of the GP when the first term A and the common ratio R are given. So here A value 4, R value 3. So A means first term, R means common ratio. Let's write the first three terms of a GP. As per the general form, the first three terms are A, AR and AR square. So what is the A value? 4, AR 4 into 3, AR square 4 into 3 square. So 4 comma 4 3 is 12, 4 into 3 square 9. So it is equals to 4 comma 12 comma 4 9 is 36. Next second problem, A equals to root 5 and R equals to 1 by 5. So first term A, second term AR, third term AR square. Substitute A and R values, A value root 5 and AR root 5 into R value 1 by 5 comma AR square, A value root 5 into R value 1 by 5 whole square. So root 5 comma root 5 by 1 by 5. So that means root 5 by 5. So root 5 into 1 by 5 whole square, answer 1 by 25. So here we can simplify further. Root 5 by 5 I am writing as a root 5 whole square comma root 5 into 1 by 25 can write as a root 5 whole square into 5. Now here square root cancel, here square root cancel. So the final answer is, what is the final answer? Root 5 comma 1 by root 5 comma 1 by 5 root 5. Next third problem, A equals to 81, R equals to minus 1 by 3. So the three terms are A, AR square, A value 81. So 81 into minus 1 by 3 comma 81 into minus 1 by 3 whole square. So 81 comma here 3 ones are 3 27s are, so minus 27, 81 into minus 1 by 3 whole square means minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3, 1 by 9. So 9 ones are 9 nines are 81. So 81 minus 27 comma 9 is the answer. Next to fourth one, A equals to 1 by 64, R equals to 2. So AR square. So A value 1 by 64, AR 1 by 64 into R value 2. So 1 by 64 into 2 square. So 1 by 64 comma 2 ones are 2 32s are, so 1 by 32. So 1 by 64 into 2 square 4. So answer is 1 by 64 comma 1 by 32 comma here 4 ones are 4, remainder 2, 4 6 are 24. So 1 by 16. These are the first three terms of GP. Next to fourth question is very important. See here, find x so that x comma x plus 2 comma x plus 6 are consecutive. Consecutive means serial terms of a geometry progression. If these three terms are in the consecutive geometry progression, then what is the x value? See here, generally x comma x plus 2 x plus 6 are in geometry progression, so then they will follow the common ratio. So what is the first ratio? A2 divided by A1. Second ratio A3 divided by A2. So they will be equal because they are in the geometry progression. So here A2 means second term, so x plus 2, A1 means first term x, A3 means x plus 6 divided by A2 means x plus 2. Now do cross multiplication. So here, so x plus 2 into x plus 2 equals to x into x plus 6. X plus 2 into x plus 2 is x plus 2 whole square. It is equals to x square plus 6x. Okay. So now here apply the formula a plus b whole square formula. X square x square plus 2 square plus 2 into x into 2 a plus b whole square formula. So x square plus 6x, here plus x square cancel because they have a same symbol. So when you have a same symbol terms on both sides of equal symbol, you can cancel it directly. So 4x equals to 6x, 4 equals to 6x minus 4x. So then what is the x value here? 4 equals to 6x minus 4x is 2x. So then 4 by 2 equals to x. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So x value is 2. Next exercise 6.4 first bit word problems. In which of the following situations does the list of the numbers involved is in the form of a GP? So he gave three different situations. So in these three different situations some numbers will be involved. So we have to create that list of the numbers and whether those numbers forms GP or not. So this type of questions we completed in the first exercise that is related to AP. So let's do that. First one is salary of a Sharmila is a situation when her salary is 5 lakh rupees for the first year and expected to receive yearly increase is 10%. Okay, so this is a situation. See here the first year salary is 5 lakh rupees, then second year salary is this 5 lakh should be considered as a 100%. So then second year 100 plus 10 because every year 10% increment. So 100 plus 10 percentage of original salary, that means first year salary. So 100 plus 10 is 110% of 5 lakh and the percentage can convert into a fraction form, that is 110 divided by 100 and simplify. So you got 5 lakh 50,000. So but we need one more year salary because minimum 3 terms is required to verify whether it is GP or not. So that is why I am finding the third year salary. So third year salary means 5 lakh 50,000 should be considered as a 100%. So then third year also same 10% increment. So 110% of 5 lakh 50,000. So then 110 by 100 into 5 lakh 50,000, here two zeros cancel and its simplification is 6 lakh 5,000. Okay, so now finally the list of the numbers is 5 lakh first year, second year 5 lakh 50,000, third year 6 lakh 5,000. Let's find out the ratios. First ratio A2 by A1, so answer is 11 by 10, so it is equals to 1.1. So second ratio A3 by A2, so here A3 by A2, third term by second term, and here the simplification is, see here 3 zeros cancel first of all. So then 605 divided by 550. Next 5 table 5 110s are 5 121s are. Next 11 table 11 10s are 11 11s are. So then 11 by 10. So in the two situation we got the same answer. So then what is the meaning of that? List of the numbers are in the GP because they have a common ratio. Next second question, number of bricks needed to make each step. If the staircase has total 30 steps, provided that the bottom step needs 100 bricks and each successive step needs 2 bricks less than the previous step. See there are total 30 steps are there and bottom step is total 100 bricks and each successive step needs 2 bricks less than the previous step. See for example this is a bottom step, here 100 bricks are there, it's a previous step is 100 minus 2 because here 2 bricks less than the previous step. Next it's above 98 minus 2. So this process will continue. So let's create the list now. So here first step 100, second step 100 minus 2, third step 100 minus 2 98, so 98 minus 2. So here is the list 100, 98, 96. So ratios A2 by A1 98 by 100 equals to 49 by 50, A3 by A2 96 by 98. So it is equals to 48 by 49. So here ratios are different. So A2 by A1 is not equals to A3 by A2. So then the list of the numbers not in the GP. Next, third question, perimeter of each triangle is a situation. Perimeter of each triangle, okay? When the midpoints of sides of an equilateral triangle whose side is 24 centimeter are joined to form another triangle. See, here is the triangle. So it's a equilateral triangle, its side is 24 centimeter. So here he created one more triangle by joining the midpoints of three sides. Okay. Next, one more triangle was created by joining the midpoints of three sides. So this process is continuing. So then whether these perimeters will form the GP or not. See, first of all, perimeter of a first triangle. So perimeter of first triangle formula is 3 into side, because it is a equilateral triangle. So 3 into 24. So 3 into 24 how much? 72 centimeters. Next, side of second triangle. Okay. So we have one property. When you joining the midpoints of a equilateral triangle, the triangle is equilateral triangle. Okay. So that means the original triangle side is 24. So then the side of the second triangle 24 by 2, it is equals to 12. So then perimeter of a second equilateral triangle is 3 into side. So 3 into 12, it is equals to 36 centimeters. Next, side of a third equilateral triangle. So what is that? Exactly half of the previous triangle. So that means 12 by 2 equals to 6. So now the perimeter of a third equilateral triangle is 3 into side. So 3 into 6, it is equals to 18 centimeters. So then the list of the numbers. So what is the list of the number? First equilateral triangle perimeter 72. Second equilateral triangle 36. Next 18. Now let's find out the ratios. First ratio is A2 divided by A1. So what is the A2 value? 36 by 72. So 36 ones are 36 twos are 1 by 2. Next, second ratio A3 divided by A2. So A3 value 18 by 36. 18 ones are 18 twos are, it is also 1 by 2. So here we got the same answer at two places. So definitely the list of numbers are in geometry progression. So let's complete the example problems. So here example 16 is, write the GP if the first term is A, that is 3, and the common ratio R equals to 2. So here A value 3, R value 2. So he is asking write GP. So GP nothing but A, AR square dash. So A value 3, AR 3 into 2, AR square 3 into 2 square dash. So 3 2s are 6, 3 into 2 square is 4 dash. So 3 6 3 4s are 12. So it is required GP. Next example 17, write GP A value 256 and R value minus 1 by 2. So same like a example 16. See here the GP is AR square dash, A value 256. So AR, so that means 256 into minus 1 by 2 comma AR square 256 into minus 1 by 2 whole square. So 256 comma, see here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 8s are 16. So minus 128 comma 256 into minus 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. So here 4 ones are 4, 4 8s are 24, sorry 4 6 are 24, and remainder 1 4 4s are 16. So 256 comma minus 128 comma 64 dash dash. Next example 18. Find the common ratio of the GP 25 minus 5 1 minus 1 by 5. Just he is asking what is a common ratio. So common ratio is denoting with A. So the formula is A2 divided by A1. So A2 means second term, that is minus 5, and A1 means first term, that is 25. 5 ones are 5 5s are, so it is equals to minus 1 by 5. Next example 19. Which of the following list of the numbers forms a GP? So here the first question is 3 6 12 dash. So first I am going to find out the ratios. So first ratio is A2 divided by A1, so 6 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 answer. Second ratio A3 divided by A2, so A3 12 divided by 6, 6 ones are 6 twos are 12. So in the two situations we got the same answer. So the list of numbers are in the GP. Next second question 64 minus 32 16. See, it is a finite GP or infinite GP? Yes, finite GP. It is infinite GP. It is also infinite GP. It is a finite GP because there is a no dada symbol. So here is a second question. First find out the ratios. So first ratio is A2 divided by A1. So A2 minus 32 divided by 64. 32 ones are 32 twos are, it is equals to minus 1 by 2. Second ratio A3 divided by A2. A3 is 16 and A2 is minus 32. 16 ones are 16 twos are, so 1 by minus 2, that means minus 1 by 2. So here also we got the same ratio. So then the list of the numbers are in the GP. Next third question 1 by 64, 1 by 32, 1 by 8 dash. So here the first ratio is A2 divided by A1. So A2 value 1 by 32 divided by 1 by 64. See, it is a division of two fractions. So division of two fractions convert into a multiplication of the two fractions. So that means this fraction will become reverse. Okay. So now 32 ones are 32 twos are 64. So it is equals to 2. Next to A3 divided by A2. So A3 value 1 by 8 by 1 by 32. So same like a previous. So 1 by 8, 1 by 32 will become 32 by 1. 8 ones are, so 8 fours are, so it is equals to 4. So here differences are different, 2 and 4. So then the list of the numbers not in the GP.